A country is discovered, a country with no boundaries, no name, full of life, still untouched. On the northeast coast of South America, bordered by mountains and rivers, lies Suriname, part of the oldest nature territory on Earth, still unspoiled, an unprecedented abundance of nature. Suriname is situated between Guyana and French Guiana, with the Atlantic Ocean to the north and Brazil to the south. We start our journey at Palamu, the territory of the trios Guayanas and Acurios. They are the first inhabitants of Suriname. The people of Palamu love meeting others. They say, "Our boat doesn't paddle so far. That's why you have to come to us." A short walk to the village. We get to meet the village council, and we eat cassava bread with pepperwatra. We drink kasiri, the beginning of a valuable friendship. In the forest, the river is the natural road, and the skillful boatsmen know the way by heart. A beautiful boat trip to the majestic Mapuka Rapids. Delightful swimming in the cool water. Relaxing lazily in a hammock. A walk through the jungle. Back at Palamu, a delicious meal, masterfully prepared, awaits you. And the bar is well stocked. Our stay is comfortable with a private bath and toilet and a marvelous view of the river. A new day. A short trip to a path through the woods. A sturdy climb to Poti Hill, far above the treetops. Surrounding us, an endless forest, a gigantic mass of rocks. And after such a trip, well-deserved relaxing on Palawa Island. In the village, we get a closer look at the lifestyle of our new friends. The grating of cassava to make bread, which we're going to taste later on. Or maybe a lasting memory such as this beautiful necklace. For adventurers, there is an exciting voyage of discovery. With our friends, we travel up the Palamu River. Only they know the way. Rocks and rapids are scattered across the river. The man in front of the boat, the kulaman, points out where the rocks are. In perfect cooperation with the man behind the motor, he guides us safely across the river. Everyone helps. There it is, a gigantic jewel of massive granite, the Kasima Mountain. The base camp is hidden between the trees on the bank of the river. The sound of the Sawaniboto Rapids nearby covered the camp with a soothing tranquility. The next day, the expedition really starts. A brisk pace clambering to the top of the Kasima. We discover the world as our friends once did, thousands of years ago. About 300 years ago, our friends met the Maroons. They had fled to the forest to start a new life. The Maroons have survived the turbulent past. They have a strong will to preserve the best of everything. In this way, a unique blend emerges of influences from Africa, life on the plantations, and of course, the wise lessons of the original inhabitants of this tropical paradise. This is the territory of the Saramacaners. In the Gran Rio lies Awaradam, an island a bit hidden, just behind the captivating succession of rapids. Hospitality comes naturally, friendship self-evident. By boat, we visit impressive rapids. Our guide shares his knowledge of the forest, wisdom of priceless value. Through the deep, dark night, we travel by boat to one of the villages downstream to sing and to dance, together with our new friends. A day trip through Paramaribo. So full of life, so colorful. Surinamese, they live together in harmony with mutual respect. A synagogue next to a mosque. Fort Zeelandia, now the Suriname Museum. Beautiful monumental buildings with a wealth of history. A short trip to Cola Creek to get a taste of nature for just one day or maybe even longer. In Nikeri lies the beautiful nature reserve Bigipan. You can either stay at Residence Inn Hotel Nikeri or Residence Inn Paramaribo with comfortable rooms, a swimming pool, and a pool bar. And if desired, we will organize your complete carefree stay. It is also possible to combine your trip to Suriname with trips to other countries. The Mets will gladly be at your service. We at Mets are proud of Suriname, and we would love to share it with you. And your first friend? He eagerly awaits your visit.